Welcome to the channel. It's AlmightyDen, and I'm here to help y'all get this bread in these crypto markets and these stock markets. So if you're new to the channel and you like to learn about cryptocurrencies and stock market and you like to make money, be sure to hit that subscribe button, like the video to help it out in the algorithm. And now we about to get into it. Now the first thing I want to get into it to y'all today about is crypto.com and the coin that they have. Now, in my previous videos, if you stuck with me, if you listened to me, I've told you that I said if you can get into a coin before it hits a major exchange, aka Coinbase, aka Robinhood, if you can get in before it hits those, then you're getting in somewhere early, and by the time it hits those, it can have a massive run. Now, if you look at crypto.com, right? If you look at coinmarketcap.com, you can see it is in the top 12 of cryptocurrencies right now already. Now, it recently was listed on Coinbase as well. Now, if you go to TradingView, you can see that we're looking at the Coinbase chart. And on November 3rd, as you can see there, it was listed on TradingView's chart. And it was at about 27 cents, 27 cents. Today, as we're speaking, it is at about 90 cents, 89 cents as I'm speaking at this moment. It has had a massive run, went up about 3 times, at least 3 times from that level, a little bit more. So if you would have got in a little bit earlier or before it was listed on Coinbase, you would have been absolutely printing some money right now. With that being said, out of all the cryptos right now, there's a lot of cryptos in the market that are down. This one is in a strong uptrend. It does not look like it's slowing down right now. And like I said, now if you're gonna hop in, this would be, in my opinion, a good point to hop in. That would have been above this break of this inside bar right here at about 78 cents, or above this break right here of this inside bar at about 57 cents, because at that period of time it consolidated a little bit, had a little bit of support, and then went back up. Right now we have to wait and see what direction it wants to pick and choose, because right now you should be buying the highs, and they could pull back some and continue to go up higher, or it could continue to rocket. We don't know, but you know, in my opinion, the support level for right now would be 78 cents. If it breaks below that, then it could go a bit lower. But right now, it's looking extremely bullish. It's printing a lot of money. Crypto.com is looking like a very strong coin. Now, if we can see maybe this chart from another website, let's go to KuCoin. As you can see here, if you would have gotten in earlier, before it hit Coinbase, you could have got in much cheaper in the teens. You can see 19 cents here, even hit a low about 14 cents in September. You could have got in much earlier before it hit the major exchange and made a bit more money. You know what I'm saying? Instead of having to chase it at these highs, because now it's becoming a lot more risky. As you can see, now it has a long way to fall before it maybe wants to figure out some support. Now, of course, like I said, if you're a momentum trader, if you want to play the momentum and catch some of this run, you still can, because it still does look very strong. It does look like it is going parabolic. But at the same time, you never know when people gonna start taking profits. So up here is where if you want to get in, play the momentum, you need to have a stop loss. You know, in my opinion, I'm no financial advisor, but the thing about playing these crypto plays and including the stock market as well is you have to know how to manage your risk accordingly. You know, at these levels, you're not getting in no more at the dip buying levels at the earlier stages. Not saying it's not early in the bigger picture, the big scheme, because it could very well be still early in the big scheme. But as of right now, as of this leg of this run, you know, it has to do some correcting at some point. Now, we don't know when that's going to happen, but right now it's looking very bullish. Now, in my opinion, I would definitely watch this one closer on the hourly chart just to see what's going on, see what break we have. But like I said, at above 80 cent right now, 81 cent, looks like maybe we might have some support there as an inside bar. But, you know, this could be a very good trade, maybe a day trade or so or whatever. But like I said, a lot of the move has been made for this move. Not saying there can't be another move, not saying this thing maybe can't go to $2-3. I think all of that's very well, and I think all that's possible, but you have to keep in mind what price of the market cap it is too, and what that means. Right now it's at about $22 billion. It's worth more than Shiba right now. So if it was to go up another 100% from these levels, it would be worth more than Dogecoin, and it'd be worth about $44 billion if it was to go up another 100% from the price that it is right now, which would be a lot. And if it was to go up twice as much, it'd be 66 billion, which would pretty much rocket above Cardano 88 until past meme coin range. Because right now, the highest meme coin we have is Dogecoin at 30 billion. Now, crypto.com is not a meme coin as well, because it actually has a website. It's their own coin that they encourage users to buy. So with that being said, a lot of money has been made on this coin. Now let's go to Shiba Inu and Dogecoin, right? Start off with Shiba because I know y'all loving this. Shiba is about to hit a major support level. Now I've been saying all this time, ever since it hit up here, I said, listen, you could buy this thing on the way down. You know, there's nothing wrong with dollar cost averaging your way down if that's your approach. But I said the most heavy buy zone would be at this about 37, 38 range when it hits that level. Right now it's at 41. It is almost there. Now if it hits that level and it bounces, that would indicate that is a very good support level. But there are people ready to buy at this level right here. And then maybe we can see a bounce. Even if you see a very quick bounce, that'd be a chance to make some profits, or that'd be a chance to add to your position right there. But now, I do want to go to Dogecoin real quick as well to explain something to you. Do not sleep on Dogecoin. Do not sleep on it. I know a lot of attention has been on a lot of other meme coins, but this thing has been consolidating for a much longer time than Shiba Inu or Saitama or all these other meme coins. It has, it's due. It is due for a run to hit $1. It is due for a run to hit $1 in my opinion. I'm not exactly sure when it's going to happen, but this period of consolidation, ever since we came down from the highs in May, hit this bottom in June, and we've been since June. It's November. We've been consolidating in this range since June. Up down, up down. We're at 22 cents. So when this thing does run, it is definitely at a much safer price level, in my opinion, because it has stronger support at these levels. Not saying it can't go down lower, because it could. If the crypto market continues to pull back, it could. But, you know what I'm saying, that's more of a safer risk, in my opinion. If it goes down lower, then you get it at an even cheaper price, which is even better. This is a hold for me at these levels. It's not a momentum trade. This is by the dip, accumulate, add more crypto at different places, at different spots. In this consolidation period, that's fine with me. This is what I expect. I expect it to be in this range. I expect it to be in this 30 cent, 20 cent range. That's expected for me. So I'm okay with that. But like I said, with Shiba Inu, it's coming very closely to this level. If it slices through and goes down, that would be a very scary thing to see. I'm not going to lie to y'all. A lot of people might be scared out and start to sell. But understand, that's the nature of the game with cryptocurrency. I do not feel like this run is this thing is done. I think this is a good opportunity to get in and hold, in my opinion. But, understand the differences between the three. I showed y'all 3 good cryptocurrencies right now with 3 completely different charts, And, crypto.com, like I said, it's already out. It's a momentum trade at this point. If you want to stick in it. But manage it at your own risk and be careful. Shiba Inu is approaching a support level. Be careful with that one as well. But at this, like I said, at that support level is where I would feel comfortable adding some. I'm not saying you have to go all in right there, because like I said, it could go down lower. It's definitely possible, or it could bounce. But that is where a lot of people, I feel, will be adding at that point. And Dogecoin in this period of consolidation definitely looks like it is setting up to eventually have a breakout and go towards $1. I do definitely see that. Do think that could happen at some point. But, we do want to see Bitcoin, because Bitcoin is the monster of all cryptocurrency. We do need to see that thing get back above 60,000 and lead the way. If Bitcoin is leading the way, it opens up the path for all the other cryptocurrencies to have a massive run, and y'all can get those gains. But anyways, I hope that y'all enjoyed this video, found it informative, learned something new. Like I said, if anything, before y'all go, if y'all can hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you're new, that'd be much appreciated. Until next time, Densky out.